Going online and seeing all the photos, knowing that our love story ended and I'm so alone. Seeing you with her just breaks my heart in two. I'm hurting, died inside, and it's all because of you. Makes me think, what is wrong with me? Makes me wonder, am I incomplete? Makes me dream, what does she have over me? You hurt me, and then you just desert me. Like saying we'll be forever. Was I stupid? Could I do better? You hurt me, and then you just desert me. Like saying we'll be forever. Now I see forever was never. You crush my